Hello there friends, welcome back to Huus Home. It's been an entire season since I filmed a video to update you on the progress of Huus Home renovation. Last time we filmed a video was in the summer. We have knocked a lot of walls down, floors, picked them up, knocked them down. We are living in the middle of a construction site. As you can see, we are knocking down one of the extra rooms, the fourth bedroom. If you remember the first video that I filmed on the renovation plan, this was one of the walls that was going to go down to create a space for our new kitchen, and that is done. After that, we dug this hole so that we could put on the dividing wall between the kitchen and the upcoming master bedroom, which is going to be a new room that we'll make afresh. From watching this video and following our page on Instagram, you can see that we are like the DIY construction gurus, right? We have been building most of the part ourselves, partly to save on cost, but also because we are trying to make our home as sustainable as possible. And for us to do this, then we feel like we cannot rely on a contractor who will just go and buy the materials they're used to using and buying in other houses. And so we wanted it to be our own, our own small research project, if you may call it that. And we wanted to make it with the most sustainable materials, as sustainable as possible, but also as cost effective as possible. For this wall, for instance, we have these blocks as foundation, but after that, then we're going to make it with wood fibers. We're going to make a wall with wood fibers, and this wall doesn't hold the house in any way. It's just a dividing wall, so it doesn't have to be so strong. When that was done, we filled sand on the floors, as you can see. Oh no, you cannot see because, oh well, the videos are messed up a little bit, but we filled the sand up on the floors, and after that we had to level it before we put the insulation. This process, ladies and gentlemen, it took so long and so much patience. Like, honestly, we did not even fight because it just took so long. If we didn't have to go through this process, we would have been done by now with at least the floor in the living room. But we opted to do this instead of digging out and having to carry out all the dirt that we dig to put concrete. Then we could put the regular insulation and we do not need to level the sand like this. However, this was actually a bit cheaper, and the insulation that we are putting on is wood fibers, so it's not the regular foam insulation that is used in most houses. With this method, we're using the sand and we don't have to dig out our floor, the concrete floor that is under. Then you can just lay out all the insulations, the wooden insulation, the ones you're seeing there, the wooden fibers. We can lay them out on the sand, but then we have to make sure that the sand is completely level so that the floor is not, tilted or wobbly or all those sort of things. So we did this with Redville. Well, partly most of the part they did it with his dad, but then he left for the Faroe Islands and I had to join into the party of leveling. I was really trying to avoid this part of the renovation, but anyway, I couldn't leave my baby to suffer alone, so we did it together and shortly it was done. We were done with insulation eventually. It took so long, but we were done, and there was like a lot of tiny particles that were left on top that we wanted to vacuum and not have these bumps on. And after that, we put this plastic paper that was a base before putting the white plates that are supposed to create the pathways for the metal plates. where the heating pipes will go through, and this is because you're having floor heating in the living room for the rest of the house, but we start in the living room, right? So that's what we're doing. To be honest, guys, this was literally a week before the delivery of our kitchen. We had signed the delivery of our kitchen to be the 1st of December, and we didn't anticipate that we would be this far behind with our project plan. Anyway, we worked together. We worked so hard. Every day in the evening after putting the kids to bed, we have been in this living room trying to finish, the next task, because during the day we are working. In the evening we pick the kids and do all, the kids and parenting stuff, and then after that, then that's the time we get to work on the house. So it's been a bit hectic, but it's been nice. Now, before you continue watching my butt crack, I'm gonna move to the next. We finished. Wow. That was quick.
So we'll put it up that way and then down. So it'll go up and then down and then
Then up, then here, then down again, and then what about there?
whether we can just put it.
They can be cut.
Yeah, they can be cut. Yeah. Just cut them same way we cut the other one. Then if we go up again.
Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video, and I have filmed a lot more that we have been doing. Please keep tuned. The next video is gonna be tomorrow, and it's the continuation of the flooring up to where we are right now and our Christmas plans. So please keep tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.